Power shortages, inadequate infrastructure, and adequate funds were critical challenges until the mid-80s in India. These challenges highlighted the need for reforms and restructuring in the power sector to improve the infrastructure, capacity, and access to quality power. This is when the Power Finance Corporation, PFC, was born. Since its inception on 16th July 1986, PFC has been primarily and profitably engaged in supporting various power projects like thermal, hydro, transmission and distribution projects. And today, we are proud to be known as the backbone of the Indian power sector. We are Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFC, the first Maharatna company in financial space. PFC today is also the largest non-banking financial company focusing on the development, financing and sustainability of the power sector in India. PFC's financing enables the construction and operation of power plants, transmission and distribution infrastructure, contributing to the overall development of the power sector. With a new line approach of Nai Soch, Nai Rahein, PFC has now expanded its portfolio to include refineries, ports, waste-to-energy, nuclear energy, e-mobility, biofuel and metro rail projects. These recent initiatives add significant momentum to the country's overall economic and social development. Today, PFC is the largest lender to the renewable energy sector, actively supporting and financing renewable energy projects. By facilitating their implementation, PFC is playing an active role in the country's clean energy goals. PFC is leading the financing of energy transition in India and intends to become the focal agency for net zero to steer the nation's commitment to climate change. PFC is also working in line with Panchamrit elements to meet the climate change targets. PFC's expertise and experience in project financing also make it an essential partner in policy formulation, implementation and monitoring. Innovative pilot projects like RDSS, implemented by PFC as a nodal agency, reflect its commitment to evolving technology. International awards and accolades backed by PFC silently speak about its successful journey to date. Besides its core financing mandate, PFC also plays a significant role in societal development through various CSR initiatives like promoting health, education, skill development training, sanitation, provision of drinking water and supporting the differently abled, etc. The power sector is continuously evolving and constantly responding to the changing times through various innovations. These innovations are driven by technological advancements, changing energy requirements, environmental concerns and policy developments. On its part, PFC is all geared up to cater to the ever-emerging needs of the sector. PFC is proud to be a part of this exciting transformation process and will continue to play its part in the transition to clean energy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve grid reliability and meet the ever-growing demands of consumers and industry. PFC will continue to accelerate its pace to keep the country shining and help make India a $5 trillion economy by 2025. Power Finance Corporation is launching secured debentures at an interest rate of up to 7.55% per annum. PFC's non-convertible debentures come with highest degree of safety with AAA stable ratings from CARE, CRISIL and ICRA. PFC's debentures are tradable, taxable, secured and listed. Minimum application size 10,000 rupees and thereafter multiple of rupees 1,000. Tranche 1. Issue opens on 21st July 2023. Issue closes on 28th July 2023 with an option for early closure or extension. For risk factors and other details, refer to the Shelf and Tranche 1 prospectus, each dated 17th July 2023. Available on the websites of SEBI, BSE Limited, the company and the lead managers. PFC, funding for a brighter tomorrow.